Hello children, how are you? Welcome to the tutorial. Subject English Grammar. Unit 3. The noun, kinds of nouns. Today we will learn about noun and kinds of nouns. First noun. What are nouns? What are common nouns? What are proper nouns and what are collective nouns? Everything around us has a name. Everything is identified by names. Names help us to identify people, places, animals or things. All names are naming words or nouns. Look at these: people, mother, teacher, doctor. All are naming words are names of persons. Places, school, park, beach. All are naming words of names of places. Animals, cow, elephant, tiger. All are naming words for the names of animals. And things, clock, guitar, hat. All are naming words for the names of things. So, naming words or nouns are names of persons, places, animals and things. All the naming words are nouns. Now, common noun. General name given to a person, place, animal or things are called common nouns. A common noun is the general word used to name a class of people, things, animals, concepts and ideas. Look at these common nouns: boy, dog, food, car. All these are common nouns for person, animal, place and thing. All these are examples of common noun. Common noun begin with small letters. Now, proper noun. A proper noun names a specific person, animal, place or thing. A proper noun is a particular name which is given to a person, animal, place or thing. Every word in a proper noun always starts with a capital letter. Now look at these proper nouns: Ricky, Pluto, Redford, Honda City. Ricky is a particular name given to a person. Pluto is a particular name given to an animal. Redford is a particular name given to a place. And Honda City is a particular name given to a thing. All these names are begin with capital letters, so these are proper nouns. Now, collective nouns. A collective noun is a word used to name a group of people, animals or things. A name given to a collection of persons or things taken as one are called collective nouns. A collective noun is singular in form even though it names anything which is two or more than two. A collective noun is always be singular even if the name given to the things are in two or more than two. Now look at the picture. A herd of cows, a flock of birds, a swarm of flies. In this picture, the word herd stands for the collection of cows. In second picture, flock stands for the collection of birds. And in third picture, a word swarm stands for the collection of flies. So the words herd, flock and swarm are collective nouns. Now we will write the definitions of noun, common noun, proper noun and collective noun. First, what are nouns? Words which are used as names of people, animals, places or things are called nouns. Example, Ram, Delhi, chair, tiger, etc. Second, what are common nouns? Common nouns are the general name of a person, place, animal or things. Example, tree, man, mountain, teacher, etc. Now, what are proper nouns? Proper nouns are the specific or particular name of a person, place or things. A proper noun always begin with a capital letter. Example, Delhi, Agra, Ram, Brownie, etc. Now what is collective noun? A name given to a collection of person or things taken as one is called a collective noun. Example, bunch of keys and pack of cards. Now children, we will do exercises of page number 11, 12, 13 and 14. So take out your grammar book and fill these exercises. Today we will fill exercise 1 to 5.
Exercise 1, page number 11. In the following sentences, pick out the names of animals, persons, places or things. One is done for you. In this question, some sentences are given to you. You have to find out the nouns given in these sentences and write them in the given blank. First, the king helped the poor beggar. King and beggar are nouns. Second, the man gave some sweets to the orphan. Man and orphan are nouns. Third, dogs bark at thieves. Dogs and thieves are nouns. Fourth, bread is made of flour. Bread and flour are nouns. Fifth, the moons and stars shines in the sky at night. Moon, stars and sky are nouns in the sentence. Sixth, chairs and tables are made of wood. Chairs, tables and wood are nouns. Seventh, the tiger is the national animal of India. Tiger, India and animal are nouns. Eighth, the peacock is the national bird of India. Peacock, India and bird are nouns in the sentence. Ninth, the children were playing in the park. Children and park are nouns. 10th, the postman brings our letters to our homes. Postman, letters and homes are noun. Exercise 2. Arrange these nouns in their respective columns. In this question, nouns are given to you. You have to arrange these nouns in their given respective columns. First question is given for persons, second for animals, third for places and fourth for things. So first we will arrange first column, persons. Officer, priest, queen, guard, friend, pilot, butcher, policeman, servant, mason, cousin, order. Now second column, animals. Hare, wolf, geese, whale, animal, sparrow, tortoise, frog, bird, duck, fish, snake. All these are names of animals. Third column, Places: hill, country, stable, island, mountain, inn, den, nest, pond, stream, hotel, floor. All these are places. Now things: salt, flour, jelly, cheese, money, butter, aeroplane, umbrella, porridge, envelope, pudding, onion. All these are names of things. Page number 13, exercise 3. All the words in these lists are nouns except one. Write the word which is not a noun. The first one has been done for you. Here are list of nouns are given. There is all words are nouns except one. You have to find out that word and write down in the given blank. First, hill, mountain, sky, down, cloud. Down is not a noun, so write down it in the blank. Second, back, front, top, under, corner. Under, it is a preposition, it is not noun, so write it in the blank. Third, aeroplane, scooter, steamer, train, quick. Quick is not a noun. Fourth, carpenter, conductor, there, butcher, dentist. There is not a noun. Fifth, hour, minute, day, week, now. Now is not a noun. Sixth, pilot, grocer, there, sailor, tailor. Sailor is not a noun. Seventh, eyes, teeth, steep, toes, feet. Steep is not a noun. Steep means slope. It is a adjective. Eighth, man, women, children, babies, walk. Walk is not a noun. Okay. Now exercise 4, page number 13. All the words in these lists are nouns, but one noun is different from the others. Write the word which is different. Here are some nouns are given. All of them are nouns, but one noun is different from others. So you have to find out that noun and write it in the given blank. First, coffee, milk, ink and lemonade. Ink is different because ink is not a beverage, so it is different. Second, crow, eagle, snake, parrot, pigeon. Snake is different because rest of all are birds. Snake is not a bird. Third, carrots, radishes, peas, jelly, potatoes. Jelly is different because rest of all are vegetables. Jelly is not a vegetable. Fourth, school, library, stadium, iron, hall. Iron is different because rest of all these are places. Iron is not a place. Fifth, ducks, geese, hens, storks, beds. Beds is different because rest of all are birds. Beds is not a bird. Sixth, pears, plums, axes, bananas, grapes. Axes is different because rest of all are fruits, but X is not a fruit. Seventh, deer, monkeys, gloves, wolves, bears. Gloves is different because rest of these are animals. Gloves are not animal. 8th, axes, hammers, chisels, mice, spades. Mice is different because rest of all are tools. Mice is not a tool. Now page number 14, exercise 5. All the words that describe the parts of our body are common nouns. Complete the sentences with the correct common noun. Here some fill-ups are given. Children, you have to fill these blanks with the names of your body parts. First, we see with our eyes. Second, we clap with our hands. Third, we smell with our nose. Fourth, we hear with our ears. Fifth, we smile with our lips. Sixth, we lick with our tongue. Seventh, we bite with our teeth. Eighth, we nod with our head. Children, fill all these exercises in your grammar book. Exercise 6, 7, 8 and 9. We will do these exercises in next video. Thank you for watching and listening. Have a nice day. Good day. Bye bye.